Hello, doctor and parents. This is Vishnu Singh. Welcome to in Admission Media. First of all, happy National Doctors Day. Yesterday was your National Doctors Day. That is 1st July. So happy National Doctors Day to all of the doctors out there who are currently watching this video. So in this session, we're gonna discuss about some latest news and the latest update about your NEET PG 23. Second, we're gonna discuss about the next. What are the rules and regulation? How many years your this result will be valid? What will be the score process and everything? Means overall, we're gonna discuss about the complete update about the next. Third point, we will be discussing about in PG 2024, that is next year, what it will be, whether you have to give next one, next two, or NEET PG and both at the same time. Fourth point, we will be discussing about what will be happening to the INSET as well as the FMG candidates. Currently, there is a FMG exam for all the graduates who are coming from the abroad after completing their MBBS. But now what gonna happen to them, whether there will be any FMG exam or not. So in this video, we will be discussing about the FMG also, that from when it will be vanished out as well as from when your NEET PG will be totally vanished out and what's gonna happen to the INSET. So before that, if you're new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, Admission Media, then do subscribe it, because whatever the latest update regarding your counseling, your admission process till from the starting till the last, we will be helping you out and we will be posting you the latest videos so you can do your counseling as per that. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it. As well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat or private seat or the government, the NRI quota seat or the NRI quota seats in low budget or the low budget private colleges in different states or the private colleges, how to proceed for these institutes and how to find the which institute is best for their which branch, for all those details you can avail our paid as well as the premium counseling guidance, and the complete details will be available at our website admissionmedia.in. You can visit there and proceed from there itself, or if you have any question you can talk to me on the given WhatsApp number below. So before starting, and do subscribe to our Telegram channel Admission Media, because the latest update will be continuously shared on that channel as well as our Instagram platform Admission Media. First, in this video we're going to discuss about the next, that exactly what is next, what are the main criteria which has been changed from the draft copy till the webinar. I have already uploaded the webinar, the summary of webinar I have already uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that video, do watch it. I am talking about the main points only in this video. From now onwards, there won't be any supplementary exam. First, I will be discussing about the supplementary exam, because in next one, there is no supplementary exam. Suppose you have given next exam, that is next one. Maybe if you failed in one subject, two subject or three subject, there is no supplementary exam. You have to wait till the 6th month. Again, there will be next one paper. Means in every year, there will be two paper of next one. First one will be in May and second next one paper will be in November. So if you have failed in May paper, you have to wait till the November and appear in that. You have to appear or give the exam in again next one only those paper which you have failed. Earlier for failing subject there was a supplementary option, but now that option has been closed. So from out of 6 paper in next one, there is total 6 paper. Total 3-day paper will be taken out. It will be a totally computer based paper. MCQ, but with one or more multiple options can be correct as it is mentioned in the gazette itself. So if you failed in one subject, then you have to wait till the 6th month, that the next academic part. The next one happened to be if you have failed in May, you will be appearing in November. If you have failed in November, you have to appear in the May. In the same process, it will be continuously going on. It will be a cyclic process. If you have failed in other part, you have to appear in the next part. I think that will be clear. No supplementary exam. This will be the process. If you have failed any one subject, in the next one, again after 6 months, you have to appear particularly in that subject. Not all the subjects you have to appear. This point has been clear. Second, whatever your score of next one will be taken out for your NEET PG admissions from 2019 batch. Earlier batches will be discussed on later on. But if you are already giving your MBBS and you are from 2019 batch and the further from that, the next one score will be valid for the next 5 year. Yes, your next one score will be valid for the next 5 year, and you can take admission on the behalf of that particular score in the next year. Means first you will be giving your next one. If you have passed it, you will be going for the next two, that is the internship period, and next two is nothing, just a passing or failing exam. There is no supplementary or anything like that. It's just a Viva based mainly. What happens in your college Viva, it will be only that. If you have passed it, you can take admission on the behalf of your next one which you have given last year, or again you can, if you want to improve that particular score, you have to again appear in the next one itself. That is, next one score will be valid for the next 5 year to take the admission in NEET PG. And now I'm gonna discuss about the what's the basic difference. I mean, next one has many positive things and XYZ. I won't be commenting any that. You have to find it on your that what is good for you. But if you have completing your MBBS after 2019, you have to give your next one examination. NEET PG not for you. But earlier batches, those batches who have already completed their internship and those batches who have already got their registration and everything, they will be appearing in the NEET PG till the government or the NMC finds out that the gap between PG session and next session has been vanished, or there is only 1 year gap. In that case, they will be vanishing of the next, I mean the NEET PG exam as well, and from onwards that only there will be next. But maximally it has been confirmed that in PG 24 there will be next one, as well as for the preceding batches or those batches who are before the 2019, they will be appearing only in the NEET PG 2024. Means in the next academic session there will be 2 exams. First one is next one, as well as there is a NEET PG for your admissions in NEET PG colleges as well as the NEET PG seats. So earlier batches appearing for the NEET PG and the 2019 batch will be appearing for the next one. At the same time, if I talk about the latest update on the PG 23 counseling, from tomorrow, that is 3rd of July, your Supreme Court is going to be open. And as we have already seen, MCI has to take a permission from Supreme Court to start their session. Most probably the Supreme Court is already starting from tomorrow. The summer vacation is completing over. From tomorrow to the till 1 week or within 1 to 2 weeks, we can expect some latest regarding your notification or some notifications regarding your PG 23 counseling. So it is expected that your PG 23 counseling can begin bit very soon. Already UP has published their notice regarding your, if I talk about the UP notification, they haven't mentioned anything about the counseling date or till now anything. They have mentioned only one important point, that if your OBC certificate or EWS certificate is before 1st of April 2023, those certificates won't be valid. So you have a time to renew it and get a certificate, the latest certificate, and only those certificates will be valid for your counseling. As well as if I talk about the reservation policy, they haven't said much, but they have already mentioned one thing. In the private medical colleges as well as in the medical as well as in the dental, there won't be any reservation there is no reservation. What does it mean? Whether it is related to NMC bill or anything, that will be further that will be updated in the latest videos. But till now they haven't mentioned anything. They have just mentioned one point, that in private medical colleges there won't be any reservation. But what does it mean? The clarification is still yet to become. But what we are seeing exactly in the NEET UG, all the states increasing, all the states till now they have published their notification. In all the notification, their fees increment has been shown. The same thing can be expected in NEET PG also. Now if I talk about the shift in the counseling, I have already mentioned that again there is a one more NEET PG session. Not one more, further it can be also NEET PG, but for 2024 it has been almost confirmed that there will be a NEET PG session again. So there will be a positive shift in the counseling, and the positive shift can be expected from 1,000 to the 10,000 which happened in the last year. Yes, the positive shift can be expected from 1,000 positive shift in the some branches. It can go up to the 10,000 also, depending upon the seat increment. Till now the multiple newses are there, this seat has been increased. We're gonna not comment on that. Earlier in video we have already shown that exactly as per us how many seats seat increment can be expected. But in this session there will be a positive shift. Now if I talk about what happened to the FMG or the inset part, there is no update regarding inset. The inset will be as usual. There is no changes in that. Most probably it will be as per that. Your next one paper will be conducted from the AIIMS Delhi. They will be making your paper. So pattern will be as per that. There is a negative marking and everything. Now if I talk about the FMG part, if next one is happening in the November or the December itself, then there won't be any FMG. FMG will be happening till the next session has not been started. Once the next paper is started, FMG will be over out. All the graduates who are coming from the abroad, they will be giving next one and they will be doing internship as per that. So in this video, this is the update. But if I talk about the NEET PG 23 counseling, it is expected that it will be starting very soon. Since tomorrow the Supreme Court is already opening, so we can have very soon we can have a letter regarding your session details and everything. As well as all the states will be covering up their documents and everything. Earlier we have already uploaded a video regarding your documents required for the counseling. If you haven't made your document and do you want to check which documents are valid or not, so you can just visit that video. You view that video and you can clearly get an idea that exactly how many documents you have to prepare at the time of joining as well as at the time of counseling, because both the times you will be required a document, how to proceed for the counseling, and if you are willing our paid counseling guidance in which we will be guiding you. The details of our paid counseling guidance can be viewed at our website admissionmedia.in. But this thing is sure that in the next session there will be a NEET PG as well as next one also. The previous candidates who has already completed their MBBS or those people who are already having an MBBS degree, they will be giving only NEET PG, while the 2019 batch, they will be appearing for the next one, as they have clearly explained in their webinar. When your FMG will be over, I have already cleared. Next, INSET, there is no update. Hopefully it will be as per that only. There won't be any much changes to be expected in INSET because it's already a separate exam conducted by AIIMS Delhi, so there is no much chances regarding that. Next one, and NEET PG, I have already cleared that when your NEET PG will be vanished out, once the gap between both the academic session will be over out, they will be closing out the NEET PG. But in next session, there will be a NEET PG as well as next one. So plan your preparation as per that. The positive shift, as I already mentioned, what happened to the private seats of India or the private medical colleges of India, what will be the lowest budget for a branch, what will be the maximum budget, for those all details you can avail our paid counseling guidance. The slots are already open. If you're looking for it, you can contact me on the given number below. As well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat or private seats or the NRI seat, or looking how to make a document and the assistance for the NRI documents, for all those details you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545 95519. Thank you so much for watching this video.